Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see an exciting recipe, veg grill recipe. For this I need capsicums, mushrooms, 2 onions, paneer, which is cottage cheese. All these needs to be taken as cubes, 1-inch cubes. And now in a bowl, add 2 cups of curd or yogurt. If it is hung curd, even 1.5 is more than enough. In this we are not going to add any water. Add pepper powder, or you can use crushed pepper powder also, 1 teaspoon, and squeeze half of lemon, or 1 teaspoon of lemon juice is more than enough for this. I have taken 1 cup of capsicum, 1 cup of mushroom, 1 cup paneer and 1 cup of onions. Add 1 teaspoon of Tandoori Masala and salt to taste. Garam Masala, it's a homemade Garam Masala, so I add only little of it. If it is not homemade, if the smell is little less, you can add more. I am taking 1 teaspoon. Then add Methi leaves, which gives a nice flavor for the veg grill. And red chilli powder. It could be plain red chilli powder or Kashmiri chilli powder. If you are a spicy loving person, you can take 2 teaspoons, or you can keep it 1.5 teaspoon. Add ginger garlic paste, freshly ground ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon, and oil to blend the marinate which we are going to take. You can take 2 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon of oil. See to the masala, and you can reduce the oil content also. You can mix and check. It should not be too watery. If the curd is thick enough, you can add more oil. If the curd is watery, you can cut the amount of oil you are using so that it becomes a thick paste, so that when you marinate it with the fresh vegetables, it sticks evenly as a thick coating. Clean all the vegetables and take correct size so that you can insert them in the skewers properly. Add a cup of paneer, diced properly, and then onions, 1/2 inch to 1 inch onions will not be a problem. Capsicum, it need not be so big. Just see to that it fits into your skewers. You check the skewers thickness so that when you insert it, the capsicum should not break. And then the mushrooms also, if it's a bit bigger, make it into 4 halves. If it is medium size, 2 halves more than enough. Or when you are inserting it in the skewers, it might break and fall off from the skewers. If you are using wooden skewers, it might be thicker, so see to that. After marinate, keep it in the freezer for 30 minutes. And now it's ready. I am inserting them into the skewers. Insert them the way I have inserted, with the stack at the back and the flaring part at the top. The skewers are set now, and I am placing it on a greased griller. The griller which I am using is Magic Wok, that is double-sided griller. I will be closing it and cooking it for maybe 5 to 10 minutes. I have placed all the skewers on the griller and now greasing them with oil. Brush little amount of oil so that you get a nice barbecued feel. Not much. Before closing, then close it and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. I'll be tilting the same pan the other side, and see, now it is ready. If you don't have the magic wok, no worries, we can use a normal tawa or a kadai. Grease the pan with the tawa with little oil and place all the veggies on it after the tawa oil is heated. See to that the oil doesn't splash on your hand. I am using an iron tawa, so it gives a non-stick finish and cooks faster with a crunchy finish as well. The same, I'll be closing this and cooking it. Leave some space between the veggies you have arranged. The same way how you use the skewers, you can use the same vegetables and allow them to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm closing it. After 5 minutes, the colors and the smell, you can see the change. See, the color has changed and the aroma is coming. Now we open it to see. Yeah, it's done. Now I toss them. Flip all the pieces. See to that all pieces are cooked. Even the marinated masala should have been cooked well. No raw smell should be there. Sometimes the paneer might cook earlier, so maybe that time you can remove those paneers, the cooked ones alone, and leave the other things to cook. Don't overcook them. The color might become brown or black. It should be golden color. Flip them and cook it with a closed lid for another 5 to 10 minutes, not more than that. Put it in low flame and cook. Now the veg grill is ready. Barbecue style at home.
If you liked the video, smash the like button, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. See you soon.